guys, this is John here. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Today I'm actually switching the light switch for the light bar and the rear light to my truck that I installed, the LED lights. So to do that, they came with this here, the little rocket switch here. Each one came with this. So today what I'm doing is I'm just going to replace this little switch with this one. Okay, it's better look. It looks better. So we'll do that. We'll show you how to do the wiring. Honestly, I have to kind of work on it because I looked everywhere. I can't find anybody that actually shows you how to do that, from convert from this little switch here to the panel. Okay, so stay tuned. We're gonna work on this together. Today, I bought this off of Amazon. Is the rocker switch panel lights for light bar. So here's what I'm doing. All right, so I'm trying to switch from this. Okay, it's got 3 wires. Okay, to this one, to the rocker, which have, as you can see, it's got 5 wires. Okay, so how do I do the wiring on this one? It took me a minute to figure it out. I'm not gonna lie. I looked online. There's not a lot of stuff, a lot of ways to do it. So what I did was, you see here, so I'm installing one for the back and one for the front. And what I did was I cut a hole here on my panel, okay, as you can see, and then this goes on top here. I'll show you guys when I'm done. So what I did was, on the ones that have the 2 on the top here, okay, so on the ones that have the 2 on the top here, those are your ground wires. Okay, so what I did is I connected the black wire, okay, the black wire, this one, I connected to this one here. Okay, so then I connected the red wire, okay, the red wire I connected to this one here. And then I used a wire to build a bridge from the red to the one in the middle here. So from this one to this one, I used piece of wire, and I just did a little bridge. And then the white wire, which goes to light, right here, I connected to here. Here you can see one black, the red, the white, and then here I did this here to connect the red wire here for the little lights in here. So when I turn it on, all the lights light up. When I turn it off, this light will turn off, and this one will stay on, so you can see it. Okay, so this is what I did. I just did a hole here, and this is where I'm connecting my lights. Again, this is what I did. Okay, ground to the battery. Here's the battery, the red for the positive. So here's the red for the positive. Did a bridge here with a wire, and then the one for the light bar is actually here. Next, I will install the back LED lights, and I will connect it with this one too. Here again, let me show you guys how I did it. Okay. Alright, it's time to put it back in place and show you guys the lights. Here's the finished product. My LED light bar in the front and my rear lights here. I'm not gonna say it was a simple job because I had to cut a lot of plastic to do that, but it wasn't terrible. So I had to take this off here. I had to lower the steering wheel, put the car in drive so I can get this off because the stick shift on my car is here, and then remove all this off, take it out, take all the bolts and everything off, and then I had to cut the 2 holes here to install it. To cut the 2 holes in there, I used this drill here to open the holes, and then I used this blade to just trim to the size of the hole that I want. Alright, let's turn the lights on. Your lights are super bright. And my light bar in the front. Here's the relay for, they got 2 relays, one for the front light bar and one for the rear lights. 2 relays. Now just gonna screw it to the actual truck and that'll be okay. Alright guys, now we're done with this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comments, any questions or anything, please comment, and I can give you an email, I can send you pictures, anything you want. It's a pretty simple installation of the switches on my truck. There's some cutting that you have to do. So on the panel or on the black little piece in there, you have to cut there. There's one in the front, there's another one behind it, so you have to open the holes on this one, have to open the holes on the back, okay, for the wiring and for the actual switches to go through. So it's not hard, but it's not simple. 1 out of 5, I'll give it difficulty maybe 3, okay, but hey, you can do it. I did it. I was scared first. I thought I was gonna damage the actual truck, but no, man. So you guys good? Please let me know if you have any questions or anything, okay? Thank you for watching, guys.